Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the right lid hinge on this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a T20 Torx bit, and a putty knife. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the washer away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 rear screws, securing the control panel assembly. Next, insert a putty knife under the front corners of the control panel housing to release the clips securing the housing. Disconnect the user interface control wire connector so you can set the control panel assembly aside. Using the T20 Torx bit, unthread the 4 screws securing the lid. Pull the lid off the hinges. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the screw securing the right hinge. With the screw unthreaded, you can lift out the old hinge. To install the new lid hinge, insert the front and rear hooks into the slots in the main top. Then thread the screw to secure. Reposition the lid on the hinges. Then rethread the 4 screws. Reconnect the user interface control wire connector to the main control board. Insert the rear control panel housing clips into the rear slots in the main top first, then snap the front clips into place. Rethread the 2 rear screws to fully secure. Move the washer back against the wall. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the washer should be ready for use.